your home beautifully clean every day is hard but important work. Dust, dirt, and hair build up everywhere. So for cleaner floors throughout your entire home, at the push of a button, meet the iRobot Roomba 980 vacuum cleaning robot, the power to change the way you clean. The Roomba 980 is your cleaning partner, designed to help you stay ahead of everyday mess. Thanks to its advanced iAdapt 2.0 navigation system, the 980 seamlessly navigates an entire level of your home, moving effortlessly from room to room and from surface to surface. Working non-stop for up to 2 hours, recharging and continuing automatically if necessary until your home is beautifully clean. A full suite of sensors and a visual localization system help the Roomba 980 map your home as it cleans, so it always knows exactly where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go next. Unlike other vacuum cleaning robots, the Roomba is designed for real homes, inspired by the experiences of over 13 million Roomba owners. Its low-profile design enables it to clean under furniture. A spinning side brush gently sweeps wall edges and corners. It expertly avoids stairs, deals with clutter, and hunts down dirt and dust wherever it hides, before performing a final edge clean for the perfect finish. Beneath its calm exterior, the Roomba 980's cleaning system is hard at work. It automatically increases power on carpets and rugs, delivering up to 10 times the air power for an even deeper clean. The AeroForce 3-stage cleaning system balances the 3 components of effective vacuuming: agitation, brushing, and suction. And thanks to the new iRobot Home app, your powerful cleaning partner is always ready to go. You can start, schedule, and monitor the 980 from just about anywhere, at any time. In short, the Roomba 980 takes care of all the hard work on the floor, leaving you free to take care of the other things life sends your way. For beautifully vacuumed floors every day, throughout your home, the Roomba 980, the power to change the way you clean.
Meet Neato BotVac Connected, the robot vacuum with a brain. BotVac Connected is smart app enabled. This means you can clean your home from anywhere you have an internet connection, at any time. Neato delivers the latest and most powerful floor cleaning technology. Thanks to laser smart mapping and navigation, Neato knows where it is, where it's been, and where it's going. Its methodical technique means a deeper, thorough clean in less time than other robot vacs. Neato goes where no roundbot has gone before. With its sleek, low-profile D shape and corner-clever technology, Neato knows how to reach dirt and dust that likes to hide underneath ledges and in dark corners. Neato's SpinFlow Power Clean technology combines potent suction and precision brushes to leave hard floors, carpet, and even baseboards immaculately clean. And when it comes to best friends, Neato knows how to suck up every last pet hair, no matter where it chooses to hide. A bigger dirt bin and ultra-high performance filter means it can pick up more dust and hair than other bots. Switch to Eco mode for a quieter clean and longer runtime from the lithium-ion battery, or choose Turbo mode for a deeper clean. Neato knows what's out of bounds thanks to easy-to-use boundary markers. It knows to avoid stairs and ledges. It knows how to see and clean in the dark. It knows when to clean when you tell it to. And now, it knows your life from the palm of your hand. It even knows when it needs to recharge, and it's smart enough to pick up right where it left off. Yes, this is one smart bot. So there you have it. Neato, the smartest, most powerful connected robot vacuum on the market.
The Dyson 360i robot is powered by the high-speed Dyson digital motor. It's small and light, yet delivers higher suction than any other robot vacuum. A unique 360-degree vision system sees all the way around itself at once, selecting reference points to track and triangulate its position so it knows where it is, where it's been, and where it is yet to clean. Systematically cleaning your home in 3-meter grids. Patented radial root cyclone technology generates powerful centrifugal forces to fling dust out of the air and into the bin. The robot's cleaner head spans the full width of the machine. Carbon fiber filaments remove fine dust from hard floors, and stiff nylon bristles remove ground-in dirt from carpets. Continuous tank tracks climb over obstacles and maintain speed and direction, ensuring it stays on course. And the Dyson Link app allows you to start, pause, and schedule your cleans, as well as monitor and update the Dyson 360i robot vacuum. The Dyson 360i robot.
A busy schedule doesn't have to get in the way of a clean home. The Bissell Smart Clean robotic vacuum does the work, so you don't have to. With simple-to-use features, a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and the trusted Bissell brand, your vacuuming is on autopilot. The Smart Clean features a triple-action cleaning system which offers powerful suction, unique brush roll, and edge-cleaning brushes to pick up dirt, dust, and hair. The edge-cleaning brushes gather dust and debris as it cleans along your floorboards and walls. Also, the Smart Clean's optical sensors keep it from falling down your stairs. The Smart Clean's low profile is specifically designed to easily navigate to the hard-to-reach places, like under the couch and around tables and chairs. The multi-surface cleaning self-adjusts to effortlessly clean as it goes from hard floors, laminates, and tile to area rugs and low-pile carpets. Because no two messes are the same, the Smart Clean is already programmed with 5 navigation cleaning patterns, including along the wall mode. The 2-edge cleaning brushes clean along edges, in corners, and other hard-to-reach areas. Spiral mode with OptiClean optical sensors to seek out dirt and debris. This mode concentrates cleaning in your most heavily trafficked areas. Z-formation mode to clean back and forth along your room. Random mode to crisscross the room to get the most optimal coverage. And the auto mode cycles through each of the 4 cleaning patterns to make the most efficient use of its cleaning time. The Smart Clean also has invisible wall technology, which keeps the vacuum in the rooms you want to clean and out of the rooms you don't. When the floors are all clean, or it senses that it needs a charge, the Smart Clean automatically returns to its self-charging docking station. The Smart Clean's lithium-ion battery gives you up to 80 minutes of runtime on hard floors. Get your freedom back with the Bissell Smart Clean.
Keeping your home beautifully clean every day is hard but important work. Dust, dirt, and hair build up everywhere. So for cleaner floors throughout your entire home, at the push of a button, meet the iRobot Roomba 980 vacuum cleaning robot, the power to change the way you clean. The Roomba 980 is your cleaning partner, designed to help you stay ahead of everyday mess. Thanks to its advanced iAdapt 2.0 navigation system, the 980 seamlessly navigates an entire level of your home, moving effortlessly from room to room and from surface to surface. Working non-stop for up to 2 hours, recharging and continuing automatically if necessary until your home is beautifully clean. A full suite of sensors and a visual localization system help the Roomba 980 map your home as it cleans, so it always knows exactly where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go next. Unlike other vacuum cleaning robots, the Roomba is designed for real homes, inspired by the experiences of over 13 million Roomba owners. Its low-profile design enables it to clean under furniture. A spinning side brush gently sweeps wall edges and corners. It expertly avoids stairs, deals with clutter, and